Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. And in today's video, I will show you how to save a location to find it later on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, choose the location that you want to save for later, double click on it, double click again, and after that find that location. And for example, I will put this place, long press on it, and as you can see here there is a button called save. I have just to click on it and I choose where to put it, in which list. For example, I will put it on favorite, and after that just click on done, and that place is saved on my phone and I can get back to it later. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you